Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Food Treasure. Here we are with another video. Today we got the recipe for mac and cheese, a very popular and easy pasta. You can make it at home. So the ingredients are some mozzarella cheese, say parmesan, all-purpose flour, butter cubes. We got some milk there, salt and cracked peppers, block of parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, and macaroni pasta. First we are going to boil the macaroni pasta. We're boiling pasta for like 9 minutes, so that will make it soft enough. Then drain it. We're using the cold water to cool down, then set on the side. Now on the saucepan, we heat up the saucepan and add butter and fry that with all-purpose flour and make a roux. Then we add milk into it. And then we adding the parmesan cheese. And our salt pepper mix. As you can see, this roux is like really thick. Then we have to make it a little bit thinner. That's why we're adding more milk. So it's thin enough. Then we're gonna add the pasta. The previously we made it and cooled down already. The cheesy pasta, we're gonna place it on the ceramic bowl. Then we adding the mozzarella cheese, some breadcrumbs, and we're saving some the block of parmesan top of the pasta. Meanwhile, we're heating up the oven on really high temperature and then placing that into for a couple of minutes to get some color, and then melt the cheese. Look at this beautiful homemade mac and cheese pasta. So you can simply make it home.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.